Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. He grew up in a humble family with his parents and three siblings. His father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a kit man at a local football club. His mother, Maria Dolores, worked as a cook and cleaner to support the family. Life was not easy, but his parents did their best to provide for their children. From a young age, Ronaldo showed a passion for football. He played with his friends on the streets of Madeira. His father's job at the football club inspired him to dream big. He joined the local club Andorinha at the age of 7. His talent was clear even at that age. He practiced every day and impressed everyone with his skills. At the age of 10, Ronaldo joined Nacional, one of the biggest clubs in Madeira. His dedication and hard work stood out. He trained harder than anyone else. His dream was to become a professional football player. His family supported him despite their struggles. His mother often borrowed money to buy him football boots. When he was 12, Ronaldo moved to Lisbon to join Sporting CP's academy. It was a difficult decision to leave his family behind. He missed them deeply, but his passion for football kept him focused. He trained hard and worked on improving his skills. He faced many challenges, including homesickness and criticism from other players. Ronaldo's dedication paid off when he made his debut for Sporting CP's first team at the age of 16. He scored 2 goals in his first match. His speed, skill, and determination caught the attention of top clubs in Europe. His life was about to change forever. He continued to impress with his performances on the pitch. In 2003, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United. He was only 18 years old. Sir Alex Ferguson saw great potential in him. It was a dream come true for the young player. He became the first Portuguese player to join Manchester United. His hard work and dedication quickly won over the fans. Ronaldo's first season at Manchester United was challenging. He faced criticism for his style of play. However, he never gave up. He trained harder and improved his skills. His determination paid off. He became one of the best players in the world. His speed, dribbling, and goal-scoring abilities made him a fan favorite. In 2008, Ronaldo won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. He helped Manchester United win the Premier League and the Champions League. His incredible performances made him a global superstar. His hard work and dedication inspired millions of young players around the world. In 2009, Ronaldo signed with Real Madrid for a record-breaking transfer fee. It was the start of a new chapter in his career. He became the face of the club. His goal-scoring record was phenomenal. He broke numerous records and won many titles with Real Madrid. His passion for football and desire to win drove him to new heights. During his time at Real Madrid, Ronaldo won 4 Ballon d'Or awards. He became the club's all-time top scorer. His rivalry with Lionel Messi became one of the greatest in football history. He led Real Madrid to 4 Champions League titles. His incredible work ethic and dedication inspired his teammates. In 2018, Ronaldo joined Juventus. He wanted to prove himself in a new league. He continued to break records and win titles. His leadership and dedication helped Juventus win 2 Serie A titles. His passion for football remained as strong as ever. He inspired young players with his work ethic and professionalism. Ronaldo returned to Manchester United in 2021. His homecoming was celebrated by fans around the world. Despite his age, he continued to perform at the highest level. His dedication to fitness and training kept him in top form. He remained an inspiration to millions of people. In 2022, Ronaldo joined Al Nassr, a Saudi Arabian club. It was a new challenge for the legendary player. His journey showed that hard work and dedication could achieve anything. He continued to score goals and inspire young players. His passion for football never faded. Off the pitch, Ronaldo is known for his charitable work. He donates millions of dollars to various causes. He supports children's hospitals, cancer research, and disaster relief efforts. His kindness and generosity inspire many people. He believes in giving back to society. Ronaldo is also a loving father. He spends time with his children and supports their dreams. His dedication to family is as strong as his dedication to football. He teaches his children the importance of hard work and respect. His family remains his greatest motivation. Throughout his career, Ronaldo has won numerous awards and titles. He holds many records, including the most goals in Champions League history. His incredible work ethic and passion for football have made him one of the greatest players of all time. His journey from a small island to global stardom is truly inspiring. Despite his success, Ronaldo remains humble. He continues to train hard and improve his game. His story shows that dreams can come true with hard work and dedication. He inspires millions of people to never give up on their dreams. His legacy will live on for generations. Ronaldo's life is a testament to the power of hard work and perseverance. He overcame many obstacles to become one of the greatest football players in history. His journey teaches us that success is not only about talent, but also about dedication and passion. His story will inspire generations to come. As Ronaldo continues his career, his influence on the world of football remains strong. He encourages young players to work hard and believe in themselves. His dedication to the game and his charitable work make him a true role model. His legacy will continue to inspire people for years to come. Ronaldo's journey is a story of dreams, determination, and dedication. He has shown the world that with hard work, anything is possible. His life teaches us never to give up on our dreams. His name will be remembered in the history of football forever. Every goal he scores is the result of countless hours of practice. His body is a symbol of discipline and hard work. He follows a strict diet and fitness routine. He trains every day to keep himself in peak physical condition. His commitment to excellence is truly remarkable. Even after achieving so much, Ronaldo remains hungry for success. He sets new goals for himself every season. He pushes himself to the limits to achieve greatness. His mindset is a perfect example of what it takes to be the best. He never settles for less. Ronaldo's influence goes beyond football. He is a global icon. His millions of fans look up to him for inspiration. He uses his fame to spread positive messages. He encourages people to follow their dreams and work hard. His story is a beacon of hope for many. His journey from a small island to the top of the world is truly incredible. He faced many difficulties along the way, but he never gave up. His story teaches us that success comes to those who work hard and never give up. He is a living legend. Cristiano Ronaldo's life is an example of what can be achieved with hard work, dedication, and passion. His journey will continue to inspire people for generations. His name will always be remembered as one of the greatest football players of all time. His legacy will live on forever. Ronaldo's story shows that success is not an accident. It is the result of hard work, discipline, and determination. He continues to inspire millions of people around the world. His dedication to the game and his unwavering spirit make him a true legend. His name will be remembered for centuries to come. His countless records and achievements stand as proof of his greatness. His journey is a lesson in persistence and passion. He never let failures define him. Instead, he used them as fuel to achieve more. His life is a shining example of the power of never giving up. Even in his later years, Ronaldo's hunger for success remains strong. His training sessions are intense, showing his commitment to excellence. He inspires his teammates and young players with his dedication. His story reminds everyone that greatness comes through hard work and belief in oneself. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.